Here's our first run on the rails, and there are some issues, but tomorrow's another day. One of my issues. This truck is getting pulled off. It will hum. And it will coast a good 2, maybe 3 feet before it stops. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, enough of this. I will, it's 5:30, so I'm going to stop now, and I'll fix the issues with the truck trailing properly tomorrow, as well as the headlight frame is still being printed out, and I have the headlight and everything ready to go for that. So you can see it's in the midst of getting printed, not quite half done. I'm just hoping I have enough filament. I have more filament, but I didn't want to have to change it. Sometimes you have to do a lot of recalibration. But I think everything is really close. Screw holes, spacings, all of that. Nuances are the wiring, the flywheels, and the trucks. So I'll put that together and let you know.